Howdy, my name is Derek Henry, and if you have the same love-hate relationship that I do with borders in Excel because they're crucial but they're a pain to use, then I've got an awesome tool you need to check out. We're talking about something called the toggle borders. Now, what this is going to let you do is save your 5 favorite borders, as specific as they are, with the colors, the style, and which sides that they're on, and reuse those very easily. So let's jump in and take a look here. So I'm in an Excel file, and the first thing I'm going to do, notice that there are no borders in these 5 right here. So in the first one, what we're going to do is apply just the bottom. Okay. Now the second one, I'm going to press the same shortcut once. Notice it does that one, and then next it's going to add the same as the bottom here. It's going to have the double underline. Okay. Same thing here. I'm going to press that shortcut 3 times. Does the thick box around. This one 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it does a red box, and the bottom one is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a pink box. And if I press that one more time, it goes back to 0. Now borders are a little tricky because there's the inside outside, which is different depending on if you have one cell or multiple cells selected. So keep that in mind when you're setting your borders and when you're applying them. But that's it. Saving your 5 favorite borders is a great way to save a lot of time, frustration, and not having to click the tiny little buttons and all the little clicks that go along with all the settings with borders. So if you like this, please give us a like, add a comment, share it with your friends, and of course, try this out for yourself today. Okay, so use the QR code here at the bottom. You can try that out along with hundreds of other tools that are going to make your life easier and save you couple hundred hours a year in Excel or more. Thanks for watching and have an excellent rest of your day.